Alright guys, first, click on Presentation to create a new presentation. Then, click here and ask the AI what we want our presentation to be about. Now we wait for it to generate it. Here, Canva will have created several presentations for us. Choose the one you like the most. We can add new slides and even edit the presentation however we like. To download it, click Share, then click Download, and here we choose the format. Or, if we want to present it, click Present. Please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you.